Y'all let me know if that's supposed to, if my torque converter supposed to be just out like that. You know what I'm saying? Maybe when the dude had this car motor swap, the shop that didn't put everything on, or maybe they just have done it. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all look really closely, it's like chipped. I just found out it's a 3-speed, not a 4-speed. So.
Forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now, y'all know I had told y'all I felt like I was having problems with my transmission. For one, the car wouldn't, it like takes a second for the car to get in the gear. Sometimes it don't do it at all, sometimes it do it. Then sometimes the car won't shift gears, you know what I'm saying, from first to second or second to third, stuff like that. Sometimes it won't, sometimes it does. So honestly, I didn't know what to do, what was wrong or nothing. But I got under the car today and I looked and I seen my bell housing is like chipped up, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know, maybe I'm supposed to be able to see my torque converter, maybe I'm not. Maybe I need a new bell housing. Honestly, I don't know. I know I got a dust cover for the transmission now though, which I didn't know I had, but apparently we got it, you know what I'm saying? So got a dust cover, and this car was supposed to have got dropped back off to the mechanic who got it running for me when I first got this car. It was supposed to have got dropped back off to him to where he was gonna put that dust cover on. He was gonna change my alternator for me, and he was gonna do the radiator and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I guess we just haven't really had time to get it down there to him, or I don't know. Honestly, I don't know, but hopefully I'm able to get this car to him, because like I told you, I love driving this car, but this transmission, it feels a little iffy. Now I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna show y'all the bell housing and how it's like chipped up, but I also got pictures that I can show y'all, because I saved a couple pictures that I took and a video of it. Now I had told y'all, if y'all haven't checked out already, I had made a video when I was changing the spark plugs and my head gaskets, and I wouldn't say head gasket, well yeah, my gaskets, you know what I'm saying, changing my gaskets and my spark plugs. And when I was doing that, I had to know what motor was in this car. All I knew was it was a small block 350, and yeah, I went to AutoZone. I just told them I got a small block 350, but then they was asking what year motor, what did it come out of, all that stuff. And like I told you, I bought this car with the motor already in here, so I don't know where he got the motor from. So I came back and I was looking up numbers on the block, you know what I'm saying, and I ended up finding out that my car has, supposedly, with the numbers I looked up, this is where it's supposed to come out of. It's supposed to be a LT1 small block 350 coming out of a Corvette, a 72 Corvette, you know what I'm saying, supposedly. I don't know if it's true. I know y'all will probably let me know. No, that ain't nothing that right. But you feel me? That's with the numbers I looked up, and I also watched a video of a dude looking up the numbers, just like he was telling me where the numbers are, what numbers to look up, how to look it up, what site, all that stuff. I had looked it up, and I'm gonna show y'all the picture now. Let me try and sit y'all. So if you look, mine is the top one. Well, all of them say CKZ, but supposedly mine is supposed to be the 1972 350 LT1 with a HD 4-speed, you know what I'm saying, transmission. LT1, 255 horsepower, you know what I'm saying. So that's supposed to be my small block that I have, you feel me. And like I said, I took a screenshot of this a while ago. Let me see what the date is. I took the screenshot September 2nd of 2023. So you feel me, a couple months ago I took that screenshot, and it was when we was changing my fuel filter, the gaskets, like I said, and the spark plugs. And y'all know I had to got the spark plugs, and I also looked up how much horsepower, you feel me, it's a 1972 LT1 half, and it's 255. So yeah, once again, I'm gonna show y'all the picture. Y'all might still say it's wrong or I did something wrong, but I literally looked up everything on the block, and that's what it came out as, the LT1 HD 4-speed transmission, you feel me. So supposedly that's the transmission I have. Like I told you, a couple people was asking me what transmission I had. Honestly didn't know, but I forgot I took that picture, and it told me, you feel me, what transmission we have, or I have in this car. you know. So trying to see if I had any other pictures. I don't think I do. No. So now I want to get ready to show y'all the picture of the transmission. Let me get y'all off this tripod. Also, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all know we on the grind. I can't do this alone, so I need y'all to hit that like button and subscribe. So I'm gonna get out and show y'all the bell housing too, but this is the picture I got. It's the best picture I could get. If y'all look at the bottom there, it looked like it's like chipped up, and when I rubbed my hand across it, it was really rough. Now I don't know if I'm supposed to be able to see my torque converter like that or not, but like I told you, I also got a dust pan that's supposed to go at the bottom. I'm guessing that's supposed to go there and cover up that bottom. So that's, like I said, that's what I'm guessing. And here go a video, which I'm gonna also get out the car and show y'all in 1 second. Y'all see it going to the drive shaft, the transmission pan, and that's where I think it's leaking at, because it looks like it's leaking there. It looks like it's leaking from the transmission pan, so I want to drop it, but I don't want to drop it by myself. Like I said, I don't trust myself doing that. So I want my dad to be with me to do it while we drop the transmission pan, and we're gonna check it out like that. But other than that, man, I just want to show y'all the transmission and show y'all the dust pan we got. I'm guessing it's called a dust pan because that's what the mechanic told me it was called. So we're gonna get out the car. I'm gonna show y'all that, show y'all the transmission, and y'all let me know if my transmission supposed to be chipped up like that. I honestly don't think it do, because it don't feel right. So, and it's the bell housing that's like that. So we finna get out and we finna check this together and see, and we're gonna go from there. So catch y'all in 1 second. All right, guys, we're outside of the car now. So here go the pan right here, and it is filthy. You know what I'm saying? It needs to really be clean. I got my hands filthy, getting my camera dirty, but let that truck go by. But here go the pan. Like I said, anything we get for the cars, I want to show y'all and keep y'all updated. So this is the pan, and honestly, I don't know where it go. Maybe I could put it on myself if y'all tell me. But if we get up under the car, y'all let me know if that's supposed to, if my torque converter supposed to be just out like that. You know what I'm saying? Maybe when the dude had this car motor swap, the shop that didn't put everything on, or maybe they just have done it. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all look really closely, it's like chipped. You know? And when I rub my hand across it, trying to push it out. When I rub my hand across it, it's like really rough, you know. So let me try to see if I can get y'all a good angle. I don't know if y'all could tell or not, but it's like really chipped, and it's really rough whenever you touch it. So, but yeah, this is my transmission. And like I said, it's a automatic 4-speed. So yeah, like I said, I thought it was my shifter cable, but I looked at my shifter cable and it's still intact. So that, I honestly don't know why the transmission be acting like it, why I be doing that, you know. But I am gonna get some Lucas. I'm gonna get some Lucas, and we're gonna put some Lucas in there. But I want to drop the transmission pan first, and I also want to start it up, you know what I'm saying, and check the fluid and see if it's over full, under full, you know what I'm saying, not enough. But I'm not gonna check that today. I'm not gonna do none of that today. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to show y'all this mainly. So I'm guessing this supposed to go and cover up the torque converter. But as y'all see, my transmission is like, it's like chippy, bro. Let me see, where's my phone? And I know y'all let me know if it's supposed to be like that. But if we zoom in, look at it, cause I don't know if y'all seen it good. Y'all see. So this the picture of it. Y'all seen my motor, my trans. Right there, the bell housing and stuff. It's like really chippy, bro. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not. But I know y'all will let me know. Plus, I've been talking to people about it to get their opinions on it and see what they say. But I am getting my camera filthy now. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's really it. I just wanted to show y'all that. And like I said, I want to keep y'all updated on everything we have for the car. And y'all know the car, I know it ain't the shifter cable anymore, because like I said, when I put the car in a gear, I can't do it now. Don't want to do it now anyways. But like I said, when I put the car in the gear, it's like the transmission got to think about what just happened. You know what I'm saying? So I honestly don't know. I just want to get this fixed, because y'all know I love to drive this car, and I want to drive this car so much, but I can't, because it's like little things that's setting everything back. You know what I'm saying? So honestly, just gonna stay patient with the car. You feel me? Ain't nothing really else I could do besides stay patient, you know, and take it one day at a time. It'll get fixed sooner or later. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to tell y'all and show y'all all that. One more time. So when I drop my pan, the bolts and stuff are right here. So I know I can drop it myself. I just don't trust myself to do it. Plus, I got to get a torque wrench so I can make sure I torque all the bolts back to spec. But yeah, the bolts are literally just right here, going all the way around. And it's on both sides. You know what I'm saying? So I know I can drop the pan myself. It's just I need a torque wrench first, so I can make sure I torque them bolts back down right. And I'm gonna have to get a new gasket seal. I think it's where it's leaking at, bro. It looks like it is. Y'all look over there. Man, it looks like it's just leaking from the pan. So maybe I do just need to go and get a new gasket seal. Yeah. Drive shaft going all the way down. Yeah, so yeah, like I said, I just wanted to show y'all that pan. Ooh. Hold on, I'm trying to get this. All right, but yeah, like I said, I just wanted to show y'all this pan. I'm going to get it installed, or maybe you do it myself. You feel me? It came with 4 bolts, so maybe I can just do it myself. But yeah, like I said, I just want to keep y'all updated with everything that goes on, everything we get. Just want to keep y'all updated and show y'all everything that we got. So yeah, that's another part of the car that we have. Just got to get it installed now. So catch y'all in 1 second for the outro. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one. Like I told y'all, I just like to keep y'all updated with everything that we get, everything that I have, everything that's gonna be going on the cars and all that stuff. And when I have a problem and I don't know what's going on, I like to come to y'all because I know I can talk to y'all, you know what I'm saying? So that's really all that's been going on, you feel me? Ain't really nothing else going on. And like I said, that's one of the main reasons why I enjoy doing this, you know what I'm saying? Because I can just pick up the camera, drop a video asking y'all for help, y'all will help me, then I make another video trying to do it, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I love doing this, you feel me? It's a blessing. Even though some people be coming on here talking crazy, you know what I'm saying? It don't bother me. No negativity bother me, you know what I'm saying? I try to stay positive with everything, even if people try to be negative on my channel, it don't bother me, you feel me? Everybody not gonna be the same. Everybody don't like to see you win. It's just stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Everybody don't. I'm trying to think of a good way to say this, but I really can't. It don't matter though. Like I said, it's gonna be people that's gonna hate and be negative, then it's gonna be people that's gonna love your work and be positive towards you, you know what I'm saying? It's just how you deal with it is really all I can say, you know what I'm saying? So when people come with negativity talking about you should be able to know how to do this, all this good stuff, you got cars and don't know what to do with them and all that stuff, it don't bother me. I don't say no, I don't respond, none of this stuff. But when people be positive, I love responding to positive comments. And I love y'all for being, you feel me, positive towards me, those of y'all that are, you feel me? But like I said, it honestly, y'all know I'm learning, still trying to teach myself about this stuff. I know a little bit, and I know how to do a little bit, but I'm still want to learn how to do a lot, you feel me? And I also want to get me one of them stickers that says YouTube mechanic, you feel me? Because I know I'm not a real mechanic, and I just like trying different things, you feel me, to see if I can teach myself how to do it. You get it? So yeah, like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. We got a transmission, supposed to be a dustpan, is what the mechanic told me, so I'm gonna keep saying it like that until I get corrected, you know what I'm saying? So we got a dustpan, but like I said, I don't understand why my bell housing was chipped up like that. Why is it like that? You feel me? There's something y'all could tell me. I can look up something, but I'd rather, instead of me looking up something, I can come to y'all and ask y'all. If that was one thing I was really trying to say. A lot of people be like, just look up how to do it yourself, you know what I'm saying? Why would I do that when I know I can come to y'all and talk to y'all? I'd rather talk to y'all than just talk to myself, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, man, I got a automatic 4-speed, and I was just told right now, shout out to my boy Skip, you know what I'm saying? He just told me I got a TH350, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do a little more research so I can learn more about that about this transmission, and then I'm gonna go from there, you know what I'm saying? Then just keep grinding, keep learning. It's all I can keep doing, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. It's gonna be the end of this one. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. I'm sorry we didn't do no work really in this video, but I just, like I told y'all, I just like keeping y'all updated on everything that we get and everything that I got for the cars, you know? So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. Hit that like button. Keep God first. God bless. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all with all my heart. Grind not gonna stop until I'm where I want to be, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna keep grinding, and I hope y'all keep enjoying the content. Other than that, man, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Guys, I just wanted to hop on real quick and let y'all know. So I just found out it's a 3-speed, not a 4-speed. So yeah, there's a lot I gotta learn about this transmission. I found out it's a TH350 transmission, and it's a 3-speed, not a 4-speed. So I guess that what I looked up was wrong, you know what I'm saying? Even though I typed in the numbers and everything like I was supposed to, and like I said, I followed the video and everything. So yeah, I'm texting, like I said, shout out to my boy Skip for helping me out, you feel me, and teaching me and telling me all the stuff that I really need to know about this transmission, you feel me, to try to get everything right. I'm gonna read y'all one of the text messages he just sent me. He told me that the chipping on the transmission might be from the previous torque converter that was too big. So as y'all know, with that motor swap I didn't do that motor swap myself, you feel me. The motor was already in the car. The only thing I had to do when I got the car was put a new carb on it, carburetor, spark plugs, adjust the distributor and the timing to get the car to start and run, you know what I'm saying? And then from there I sent it off to get everything else done, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know if the torque converter was already too big and the mechanic changed it. He didn't tell me if he changed it or not, you know what I'm saying? I didn't pay for it, so I'm guessing it was already changed right before I bought the car, you know? So like I said, I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know one final time that about the transmission's 3-speed, not a 4-speed. And like I said, I'm finna look up some stuff and try to teach myself a little bit about the transmission so I can do a little bit of stuff about it, you feel me? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first. God bless. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.